Assalamu alaikum dear class, included indicate English topic today. Today MDK topic included position of adverbs. आज हम पोजीशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स की वीडियो लेक्चर में सीखेंगे कि एडवर्ब की क्या पोजीशन है, किधर एडवर्ब हम प्रॉपर वे में यूज़ कर सकते हैं और कैसे एडवर्ब को यूज़ किया जाता है. In first, there is adverb of a manner. Manner, you know very well the meaning of manner, which manner means respectable things. Let me write here. Respectable things. Adverb of a manner which answer the questions how. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एडवर्ब मैनर में हम क्वेश्चन बनता है जैसे कि हाउ, वाई, वेल, फास्ट, क्विकली, केयरफुली, कामली are generally placed after the verb after the object if there is one as like. अब यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं, ये हम कुछ एग्जांपल डिटेल्स करेंगे. It's a running heavily. It's a simple. अब यहाँ पे रनिंग एक वर्ब है, हेवली यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, एडवर्ब हमारा. द शिप इज़ गोइंग स्लोली. द शिप इज़ गोइंग, वर्ब अगेन एंड अगेन एडवर्ब ऑफ एडवर्ब्स, क्विकली. अब शी स्पीक्स इंग्लिश वेल. इंग्लिश स्पीक्स, वर्ब, वेल, adverb. He does his work carefully. He does his work carefully. Now see, he does his work carefully. There is also doer of a verb. He does his work quickly. Quickly is adverb. Adverb of adverbs, has of a place, like here, there, everywhere, on the wall, and of the time, like now, then, yet, today, next, Sunday, are also usually placed after the verb or the object if there is no one is like. He will come here. We have discussed in the note. Firstly, here, he came here, he come here, वो इधर आया, he come here. I looked everywhere, मैंने हर जगह देखा. hang the picture there, यहाँ पे तस्वीर लगाओ. I meet him yesterday, मैं उससे कल मिली. Now these are the placed, shows placed, here, where, these are the placed, like here, where, there. Okay, these are the adverb of a place. They are to be married next week. वो next week शादी करने जा रहे हैं. They are to be married next week. वो अगले हफ्ते, आने वाले हफ्ते में शादी करने जा रहे हैं. Now in 360, when there are two or more adverbs after verb and its object, the normal order is adverb of a manner, adverb of a place, or adverb of a time. First part is adverb of a manner, adverb of a place, or adverb of a time. सॉरी बच्चों, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सिस्टम इशू हो गया है, तो वेट अ मिनट. Sorry for that all. She sang well in the concert. अब यहाँ पे देखो, तीन चीज़ें आ गई. पहले क्या, she sang, उसने गाया. well, अच्छा गाया. कहाँ पर, कॉन्सर्ट पे. she sang well. इन द कॉन्सर्ट, यहाँ पे प्लेस की भी बात हो गई, वर्ब की भी बात हो गई और एडवर्ब की भी बात हो गई। उसने अच्छा गाया कॉन्सर्ट में। We should go there tomorrow evening. We should go there tomorrow evening. We should go. Okay, where? There. When? Tomorrow at the evening or in the evening. He spoke earnestly at the meeting last night. He spoke earnestly at the meeting last night. Now, adverb of frequency which answer the questions how often, like always, never, often, rarely, usually, generally, and the certain of adverbs like almost, already, hardly, or merely, just, quite, or normally put between the subject at the end of a adverb consist of the only one word. If there's a more than one word in the verb, thereby put after the first word. Like his wife never cooks, उसकी वाइफ कभी खाना नहीं बनाती. He has never seen a tiger, वो कभी टाइगर की तरह दिखता नहीं. I haven't often told him written neatly, मैंने उसे कभी अच्छा लिखने के लिए नहीं बोला. We usually have breakfast at night. My uncle has just gone out. I quite agree with you. Now there's a main thing. If their verb am, are, is, was, these adverb are placed after the verb is. अगर verb में मेरे बच्चों, अगर verb में is आ गया, are आ गया और was आ गया, placed after the word, वो हम verb के बाद रखेंगे. after the verb कब? जब am, is, are आ गया. like I am, अब देखो, placed after the verb. I am never late for the school. I am never late for the school. He is always at the home on Sunday. वो संडे के दिन हमेशा घर होता है. like he is here also. We are just off. Okay, we are just off. These verbs are usually put before auxiliary of the single verb. Bevan straight is. Abdul has come late again. Yes, he always does come late. When will you write essay? But I already have written it. Will you be free on Sunday? I usually am free on Sunday. Do you eat meat? Yes, I sometimes do. Leave these 2 points. Let me mark them. These are not necessary. Now come to here. 360. 367 is telling us about this general rule. The word only should be placed immediately before the word modified is. I worked only 2 sums. I worked only 2 sums. He was slept only 3 hours. Slept only 3 hours. The quantity of thing. This telling about the quantity of thing. So our lecture is wind up here. Subscribe my channel with English Daily Base with me.